Model RL turns a red lion meter into a logger with timestamp. No PC or PLC is required, and there is no software required. Just connect Model RL logger to the red lion meter with a RJ11 modular cable. So, this is a standalone independent system that you can use to collect data from a measurement project. You can also add the logger as a backup record-keeping module to an existing established meter system. The logger fastens into a common electrical box. Electrical boxes give you many options to mount the logger, with its mounting tabs. Punch-out holes and screw holes. They are inexpensive. Some electrical boxes are water-resistant with see-through front covers. A display is used on the logger to help give you assurance that the recording function is working. The time is alternately displayed with the SD card record.txt file size. The user can thus see the file size increase with meter data received. If the logger fails to write to the file, then an SD card error message is displayed. The SD card storage is protected inside the electrical box. It can be accessed without a screwdriver by use of the 2 thumbscrews. Some users may wish to cut out an SD card access opening in the bottom of the electrical box. You can store months of meter data on the SD card even at a 10-second polling rate. Many CUB5 and PAX series meters are compatible. The user installs a serial communications option card in the meter. The user edits config.txt file in the SD card to poll the meter registers for data. Locate the section in the Red Lion user guide which describes the serial communications protocol. There you will see the commands available to extract measurement data from the meter. A command can be set in the logger SD card config.txt file. The RL logger is available from Photologic Ltd, www.photologic.ca.